I don't even know where to start with this comment. English letters. Do you mean Latin? The same set of letters that Spanish, Italian, German, Dutch, Portuguese, Romanian, Catalan, Hungarian, Croatian, Finnish, Welsh, and dozens of others all use variations of? And yes, famously, they all chose those alphabets to get back at the English. This comment was related to the fact that in Gaelic, the language I speak, combinations like MH or BH produce a V sound, which obviously doesn't happen in English. Mar isimplar mating va, good morning, or va mi feragoch, I was angry. And if your instinct to learning that is, well, clearly the Gaels were big mad at the English when they wrote the language down in the 5th century, half a millennia before England was even a country, I can't help you. I'm convinced this Amadan is at the wind-up. Nobody with access to the internet and half a brain is writing such a daft comment unless they're deliberately baiting people. So if you are wondering why that MH or BH makes a V sound, it's largely because those spellings were used to compensate for a lack of consonants in Latin. As I've talked about before, the yoch, a letter which no longer exists, was originally used to represent that guttural g sound that you find in Gaelic. For example, in Maccunnich, which was originally spelled with a yoch, but over time the yoch became a z, and the spelling became Mackenzie, which translates to son of Kenneth, by the way. Finally, to this commenter, languages were not invented so that cultures, groups, or countries could be different or get back at the English. It's a fundamental misunderstanding of how languages develop over literally millennia, and particularly when you spread those alphabets over thousands and thousands of miles in every direction. In Ahuris, Gian Buchan Rounsachi, Muscrivu Bech Annuloch Ella. And the fit for this video has been August Burns Red, which in Gaelic would be Ha and Lonestal a Loskuch Jirak.